Welcome, my dear students of HS first year. Myself, Jai Loshkor, your accountancy teacher. In my last class, I have discussed about the meaning of accounting, objectives, advantages, and limitations of accounting. Today, I am going to discuss about the bookkeeping. So, let's start. Bookkeeping. Bookkeeping is the art of recording business transactions in a systematic manner. Bookkeeping is the process of analyzing, classifying, and recording transactions in accordance with a preconceived plan for the purpose of providing a means by which an enterprise may be conducted in an orderly fashion, and establishing a basis for recording and reporting the financial affairs of an enterprise and the results of its operations. So, we can say that bookkeeping is the art of recording business dealings in a set of books. Now, the process of bookkeeping. So, first is identification of transactions. All transactions and events which are financial in nature relating to the entity and have documentary evidence are to be identified for recording. Non-monetary transactions are to be ignored. Then, recording at first stage. Financial transactions and events identified at step number 1 are recorded in the books of original entry, that is, in the journal. Next, posting in the ledger. All transactions recorded in the books of original entry, that is, in journal entry, relating to person, property, party, expense, income, loss, or gain are posted in the respective account maintained in the ledger. Ledger accounts provide latest information at a glance. Next, ledger account balancing. At periodic interval, accounts maintained in the ledger are balanced. Account in balance by finding out the difference between the totals of debit and credit side of the account. Difference is entered on the shorter side and the same is shown as balance brought down on the opposite side. Next, preparation of trial balance. All the balances of all ledger accounts are placed on a separate list with debit and credit column. This list of balance is known as trial balance. It is prepared to check arithmetical accuracy of the books. If trial balance does not tally, It indicates existence of errors which are located and rectified. These are the process of bookkeeping. বুককিপিং এর প্রসেসে আমরা কি করি? ফার্স্ট অফ অল আমরা আইডেন্টিফিকেশন অফ ট্রানজ্যাকশন মিনস ট্রানজ্যাকশনকে আমরা আইডেন্টিফাই করি যে ট্রানজ্যাকশনটা মনিটারি ইন নেচার না নন মনিটারি ইন নেচার। আমরা অ্যাকাউন্টিংয়ের মধ্যে কি করি, নন মনিটারি ইন নেচার যেগুলো ট্রানজ্যাকশনস আছে সেগুলোকে আমরা ইগনোর করি, অ্যান্ড মনিটারি ইন নেচার যেগুলো আছে সেগুলোকে আমরা রেকর্ড করি। তো আমরা ফার্স্ট অফ অল আইডেন্টিফাই করবো ট্রানজ্যাকশনসগুলা কোন নেচারের। তো মনিটারি নেচার যেগুলো আছে সেগুলোকে আমরা কনসিডার করব। তো সেগুলোকে আমরা আইডেন্টিফাই করে কি করব, রেকর্ড করব। ফার্স্ট স্টেজে রেকর্ডটা কোথায় করব আমরা? জার্নালে। জার্নালের পর তারপর কি করব, লেজারে আমরা পোস্টিং করব। তো জার্নাল থেকে লেজারে আমরা যখন পোস্টিং করব তখন একটা অ্যাকাউন্ট প্রিপেয়ার করব। তো আমরা লেজার অ্যাকাউন্ট প্রিপেয়ার করব। তো লেজার অ্যাকাউন্ট প্রিপেয়ার করার পর আমরা লেজারে ট্রানজ্যাকশনসগুলো পোস্টিং করব। তো ট্রানজ্যাকশন থেকে ফার্স্ট জার্নাল, জার্নাল থেকে লেজার কিভাবে পোস্টিং করতে হয় সেগুলোর রুলস আছে, সেগুলো আমরা পরে ডিসকাস করব। তো লেজারের পর আমরা কি করব, সবগুলো ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্সে ট্রান্সফার করব। ট্রায়াল ব্যালেন্স থেকে আমরা কি করব, ফাইনাল অ্যাকাউন্ট প্রিপেয়ার করব। ফাইনাল অ্যাকাউন্টের মধ্যে আছে ট্রেডিং, প্রফিট অ্যান্ড লস অ্যান্ড ব্যালেন্স শিট। তো এই হলো গিয়ে বুককিপিং এর প্রসেস। আফটার প্রসেস অফ বুককিপিং, নেক্সট মুভ অন টু দ্য সিস্টেম অফ বুককিপিং। তো ফার্স্ট ওয়ান ইজ ইন্ডিয়ান সিস্টেম। In Indian system, which is also called the Desi Nama. So it is differ from region to region, community to community, and from business to business. Under this system, books are written in regional language. Books are called bahis. Then single entry system. Under single entry system, merely personal aspects of transaction, that is personal account, are recorded. This method takes no note of impersonal aspects of the transactions other than cash. It offers no check on the accuracy of the posting and no safeguard against fraud, because it does not provide any check over the recording of cash transactions. Therefore, it is called as imperfect accounting. Then next is double entry system. Double entry system. This system was first evolved by the Luca Pacioli, who was a monk of Italy. With the passage of time, the system has gone through lot of development stages. It is the only method fulfilling all the objectives of systematic accounting. It recognizes the twofold aspects of every business transaction. In accounting, we follow basically the double entry system of book. So, move on to the advantages of double entry system. So, first advantage of double entry system of bookkeeping is to keep record of transaction. So, double entry system of bookkeeping enables to keep a complete record of business transaction. Next, to to check the accuracy. Double entry system of bookkeeping provides a check on the arithmetical accuracy of books of accounts based on equality of debit and credits. Next, provides results of business activities. Results of business activities. So, double entry system of bookkeeping gives the results of business activities, either profit or loss during the accounting period. The next point, point number 4, is provides financial position of the business. Double entry system tells the financial position of the business at a point of time. Total resources of the business, claims of the outsiders, amount due by outsiders, etc. are revealed by a statement known as balance sheet. Next point is makes possible comparison. Double entry system makes possible comparison of the current year with those of previous years, helping the owner to manage his business on better lines. Now, move on to the disadvantages of double entry system. In fact, there are no disadvantages of double entry system of bookkeeping. However, for the sake of argument, these are 4 points which we can consider the disadvantages of double entry system of bookkeeping. So, the first point is requirement of expert knowledge. Accounting, as we know that accounting is a profession and is being practiced by qualified chartered accountants. Next, point number 2 is lengthy process. The process of recording, classifying, analysis, and interpreting is lengthy and tedious. Next point is expensive. Accounting department is to be staffed by qualified and trained staff requiring high salaries. So we can say that it is expensive. Next, last one is uneconomical. For small business units, it may not be economical to maintain full-fledged accounting department. So, we can say that it is uneconomical. Now, move on to the difference between double entry and single entry system of bookkeeping. So, the first point of difference is sequence of recording. In double entry system, transactions are recorded systematically. But in single entry system, transactions are not recorded in a systematic manner. In single entry system, transactions are recorded in a haphazard manner. Point number 2 is test of accuracy. In double entry system, accuracy of records can be checked by preparing trial balance. But in single entry system, arithmetical accuracy cannot be checked by preparing trial balance. Next, suitability. Double entry system of bookkeeping is suitable for both small and large size businesses. But single entry system is suitable only for small size businesses. Next one is final accounts. In double entry system, trading, profit and loss, and balance sheet are prepared. But in single entry system, trading, profit and loss account, and balance sheet cannot be prepared. Last but not least, point number 5 is detection of errors. In double entry system, detection of errors and frauds is easier. But in single entry system, it is difficult to detect errors and frauds. So this is the difference between double entry and single entry system of bookkeeping. In our today's class, I have discussed the meaning of bookkeeping, process of bookkeeping, advantages, disadvantages of bookkeeping, advantages and disadvantages of double entry system of bookkeeping, and the difference between single entry and double entry system of bookkeeping. So that's all from my today's class. Thank you.